Hey everybody, and welcome to the December 2023 release of OpenBOM for Autodesk Fusion 360. I'd like to take you on a little tour. There's been some great updates and a couple of new features that you might not be aware of that we've just released. So first, I'm just going to revisit OpenBOM for Fusion. We've all been using that to create BOMs for several years. And you can see that we've recently, we just continue to add features and data to the output on that. That is right here in your Fusion ribbon panel, reliable, always there. What is interesting, though, about what we're doing lately is we are bringing your Fusion cloud data to the OpenBOM dashboard. And let me show you how that works. This jack happens to be stored in my Fusion cloud data in Autodesk. So with that in mind, I come over to the latest release of OpenBOM, and you can see this is just my regular OpenBOM data. I'm going to go down here to my design area. If you haven't taken a look at that, take a look at it. Design brings projects and drive and some other things to your OpenBOM dashboards. So I've enabled Autodesk Fusion 360, and that's so this will show up here. And when I click this, you may be asked to sign in, go through the sign-in process. I've done that. And what I see here is my Autodesk cloud storage. So and yours will look a little bit different, but this is where my team and I work to develop and store our data. So I'm going to look at this 2-ton jack that we were just looking at in the Fusion editor. I'm just going to open up version 1 of it. Okay, and the first thing I see is I see essentially the same thing here, but I'm in Autodesk Fusion in the OpenBOM desktop. So that's kind of cool. There's a couple things I want to point out. There's some settings up here. Right now we're just getting started, but one of them is, hey, I could generate step files for all the models in my assembly. Okay, so that's the thing. Now I am going to build a BOM for this right from this dashboard. In other words, I'm not going to go open up Fusion 360. I browse to this storage area in my design dashboard. I found the thing I'm looking for. I'm going to go ahead and click the button here to generate the bill of material. And up here you'll see a little progress bar. And I'm just going to sit and wait with you here so you get a sense of, how long this takes. I think this probably has, I don't know, 50 or 60, parts in it. And, keep in mind, we're going through that same process. We're generating the thumbnails. I've also said, hey, look, generate step files for me for all this. All of this processing is being done on the Autodesk Cloud servers and bringing the data down. So you can think about this as a little bit different than the Fusion 360 add-in, which does a kind of splits processing between clouds and some local processing. So we'll give this a second to finish up. Pause that for about 20 seconds or so there while we were generating the step files. But so what just happened there is we built an entire bill of material just like we would have done in the Fusion client. We built that right from the OpenBOM design dashboard, and we generated full BOM, all the information you would expect there, all the thumbnails, and we built all the step files right here, and we showed it, and we're showing the BOM right inside the dashboard here. So give that a look. I think you're really going to like that. That's the Autodesk Fusion 360 feature for OpenBOM design. And what we just released was was a cloud-based step extractor. Give it a look. Love to hear from you at support@openbom.com. Thanks.